How to choose the sweetest watermelon. 5 tips. Watermelon is a nutrient-dense food, contrary to the common opinion that this fruit is just water and sugar. The watermelon is abundant with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. The best thing about this fruit is that it is low in calories. When I think about watermelon, it reminds me of picnics and summer. This fruit is extremely refreshing and it is excellent against the summer heat. By choosing watermelon, you will enjoy a tasty, quick dessert without having to worry about calories. This fruit has various types, but these 5 are the most common: orange, yellow, seeded, seedless, mini, i.e. personal. However, it is very important to pick the right watermelon so you can enjoy it. 5 tips to pick watermelon. 1. Tail. The tail shows how ripe the watermelon is, so be very careful when buying a watermelon. Green tail indicates that the watermelon was picked too early. Dry tail, on the other hand, shows that they are just right. 2. Field spot. The white spots on the watermelon peel are the field spots. If you find field spot on the watermelon, it indicates that the watermelon was on the ground, and that your watermelon is ripe and sweet. The color of the spot can be from yellow to orange. 3. Size. Even though many people think the bigger, the better, this is definitely not the case with watermelons. Make sure not to pick big watermelons, opt for the small ones. 4. Webbing. The webbing shows how much bees touched the flower. It is believed that it is best when there is more pollination. 5. Boy or girl. Even though it sounds surprising, watermelons have genders. The girl watermelon is round and stout while the boy watermelon is more elongated than the girl one. It is recommended to choose the girl watermelons because they are sweeter.